Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. You're looking for a small, a short, Imagine? My goodness, we've got one right here. It is a 2026 Grand Design Imagine, model number 2300 MK. So let's get started. The length on this Imagine is 25 feet, 6 inches. The dry weight is 6,218 pounds with a hitch weight of 672 with a GVWR of 7,850. I believe a good half-ton could pull this one.
This is definitely going to be within half-ton capabilities. Every time I see Imagine, though, I want to sing Imagine me and you and me. Okay. All right, moving along. Sorry, guys, got a little distracted right there. This is going to have a power tongue jack. Your propane bottles are going to go under that cover, and your batteries will mount right there on the tongue. Now this one is going to have manual stabilizers, and you see that you do have a sewer caddy right there. Your connections are going to be in here.
Wow.
Nice size, nice tall storage right here at the front.
And yes, they give you the little adapter for your stabilizers. And also, I'm telling you, Grand Design has got it going on because you get 200 watt panel with a 30 amp controller for solar. So
standard.
You're looking for solar.
Yeah.
Grand Design's got it going on.
Absolutely. So right here you're going to have a rack and pinion slide. We're going to come down the side here. And I'm going to do my best to not trip over these other steps. You have a dump area right there at the back. I love that they give you a light right above it so you can see what you're doing in case you have to set up or tear down in the dark. Looking at the back, you're going to have a ladder where you can access your roof. It is going to be prepped for a backup camera. You do have a receiver on this for an accessory rack.
This is 50 amp camper too.
It is.
Tankless water heater.
Right back there. Okay, and this is going to have dual entry. That comes in very handy when you're getting ready to go somewhere because you can load your clothing and things into the bedroom while somebody else is loading the kitchen. Trust me, it works well.
18 foot.
18-foot awning on this. And behind this tiny little door,
Oh, I want you to look at this.
you have access to your garbage can.
I did not see this.
So how cool is that?
That is awesome. I like that.
Yeah. So you don't have to worry about digging it out and trying to dump it from the inside.
Now you do have, if you set anti-lock brakes.
Mm-hmm.
So you get a lot of stuff with Grand Design.
And then we're going to show you the other side of this pass-through storage. Again, this is just a really great size. You've got your lights for your front cap, and it is also prepped for a tire link.
Your spare tire, if you can get down, is right under there.
Fine, I'm down.
You see it?
I see it.
That's what I'm talking about.
How am I going to get up?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
You me help you?
I got it.
Okay.
All right, guys. This one looks amazing out here. Let's go see the inside. Quick sneak peek right there. Now this is one of those floor plans. We know that you have seen it before, but you know we always like to give you some extra options on this one. Now this Imagine is going to give you solid surface countertops in here, which is just absolutely amazing. I love this little bar area. Now they don't have any stools in here, but you could probably, if you had some slimline stools, you could probably slide those right up in there. This looks like, I'm going to say it's a 40-inch TV.
All right, we're going to try you out. We're
I'm
going to
just
see if
guessing.
you've got it. Yes, ma'am, it is.
All right. Now, like I said, this is solid surface, and then the cute little garbage can that we showed you from the outside
It's right there.
right there.
That is neat. I like that.
So it's out of the way, and
And it's not taking up a cabinet
it's
or
not
anything.
taking up-
So
yeah.
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 Look at here.
All right, so right here at the end of this neat little bar area, you have these two pull-out drawers. And right
Another one.
here. So yeah, instead of your garbage can taking up all this space, that gives you some extra room for some shelves and a drawer. Nice big pots and pans drawer down there. 3-burner cooktop.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Well, little lights.
Microwave, got a little open shelf up above your microwave.
Oh wow, yeah.
That is actually a good size cabinet up there. Got one right there. If you have some smaller baking sheets, those would slide right in there. Blackout shades over here.
yeah,
So yeah,
nice
they give you these. They give you
windows.
2 windows on your campsite. More drawers, and these are pretty big drawers over here. They really are. Then they have a little open space right under the sink, so you can slide your sponges and things in there. A large single basin sink with a high-rise faucet. You do have plug-ins here. Your paper towel holder is already up there. And then even more storage above the sink. Really, really nice.
Oh look, I give you a fan in here.
And you have a fan. I'm going to back up so you can see the sliding. I love that they give you those LED strips across the ceiling. You do have AC unit in here. You have an extension, so if you need more space, you got it.
When I need to pile them dishes up on one side.
Yeah. All right, guys, I mean, there's lots and lots of floor space in here. So this is going to give you a 12-volt compressor fridge. This is going to be in your slide. Not wasting any space. They even give you a little cubby right there and USB with C charging, so you could actually put your phone in there while it's charging and be up out of the way.
Huge, huge window.
Yes. Again. And I don't know that we have seen a light fixture
You like
quite
this
like
light
that.
fixture.
I like that. Actually, you have a really big seat in here. So you got a 3-cushion sofa in here. Has an armrest, got some charging, got some cup holders. You're going to have parachute pulls on both ends for your recliners. Wow.
This is short.
Wow.
This
Yeah.
is really short.
I really like this one. Okay. Again, we have some friends who really like a rear bath model. This is one. So let's take a look.
Got a window.
Love that they give you a window that opens.
Look around.
A towel bar in
Your
here.
neighbors.
Over here. Holy moly. What
Ah.
a huge medicine cabinet.
Wow.
You can get all kinds of stuff up there. They also give you a really big counter space around your sink, and it's solid surface in here too. That is impressive.
Yes, it is.
Plug in over there. Great space underneath the sink. They have a nice big drawer over there for things that you can't get up in this giant medicine cabinet. Down here is going to be your porcelain foot flush toilet. A little bit of an angle. They didn't really have to angle it quite that much, but that's okay. You have great leg room around it. Your heating is going to be in the cabinets, actually all the way through the unit, so it's not in the floor. The shower,
30 by 36.
30 by 36. Now the Imagines have got a little bit of a barrel ceiling, so that's going to give you a little extra space. There is a skylight. There's a little too much antifreeze in the floor. We don't want to track that everywhere. But I do love these retractable showers.
Booyah.
We are going to give this one the golden plunger.
Yes.
But I'm going to hand this to him so he can show you that linen.
That linen storage.
It's questionable.
It's very deep also.
But it's very narrow.
Yeah. Now, we did have a comment that someone said, well, if you don't have the golden plunger, how about the silver?
Well, we don't have another plunger.
No.
So we're gonna give this one the golden
We're going to
plunger.
give this one the gold.
Barely.
Yes.
Barely.
I like it.
But it is a great layout in a rear bathroom. All right. Moving toward the front.
Okay. Get some
This is
stuff
going to
open
give
for you.
Yeah, it's going to give you hanging. Should be hanging on both sides, I think. Yeah.
Yes.
So the sides are the same. You've got some storage drawers. You're going to have electric down here. You're also going to have these little cubbies on both sides that give you some more electrical outlets and charging ports. You've got reading lights, storage up above. You are going to have a second AC in this unit because we did point out that it was a 50-amp camper. And then is this a queen?
Queen.
It is a queen size. Now this one they're going to give you little rounded corners on it. It just kind of helps you get around the sides a little bit.
And I don't know if you showed it over there. You've also got plug-ins down below your drawers.
Yeah, so you're
Wow.
going to have that on both sides. Your TV is going to go right up there if you want to add that.
And there's your table.
And you have, yeah, a portable table. I would not suggest leaving it there while you're sleeping, but...
Oh,
Yeah.
look.
Oh, they do give you bar stools.
There's your bar stools.
Okay, well, I mentioned that, so, hey, thank you, Grand Design, for reading my mind, and go ahead and put those in there.
Yeah. Look at
Good
that.
job. I'm impressed. We probably should have looked at that before we started.
Probably should have.
Anyway, let's see. You have, that's going to be your second door there. So like I said, on the outside, actually comes in very handy when you're trying to pack everything up and get ready to go.
Also, your main cabin lights.
In here they will dim. Now
They're on a
they may
dimmer.
flicker when we do that,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
so yeah. So like I said, second AC, LED light strips in here.
You did show the TV.
I did.
All right.
You got your control light switch.
Nice
Blackout
little
shades
window.
everywhere. So I mean, hey, this
Really
is
nice
this
little
is a
unit.
super nice couples camper. So likes or
I'm going to tell you,
dislikes?
I'm very impressed.
Absolutely.
I know you are, especially seeing
I love
the
solid surface.
surface. You
Yes.
love this. All right, everybody, if you like this Grand Design Imagine, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.